Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be making baked, not fried, fish sticks. We're going to be using a 3-step method for our coating. This way we can build our layers of flavor. We're going to be pairing these yummy fish sticks with a spicy tartar sauce. Quick and simple. I think you're really going to love it. Now there's a secret to getting your fish sticks really crispy. Using a rack on top of your baking sheet will help the heat and air to circulate all around the fish stick. That way you won't have a soggy bottom. I don't know about you, but I get pretty cranky when I have a soggy bottom. I think you're really going to love these fish sticks. They're simple, they're good. You're going to want to make them. Check it out. Nobody likes a soggy bottom.